Hey, hi, Live at 5 crew. This is Sandy McManus with needsaribbon.com, and we're coming to you live this Friday, January 19th, which means it's almost my daughter's birthday, which means that she is on her way home and will be home momentarily for the weekend for a birthday celebration. Anyway, I'm just kind of chilling. Wave or like or something if you're out there listening. I'm going to take a sip of my coffee while I kind of wait for things to happen. Yeah. How's everybody doing? Don't have something to show you, but you can look on my page here. I have my biggest event of the year is coming up next Tuesday, the 23rd, at the Greenhaven Country Club in Anoka, Minnesota. If you are in the area, stop by. We have between 650 and 800 people show up every year for this big event because it is that fantastic. It runs from 4 to 9. It's $3 to get in, and then you get 3 $1 coupons to use at vendors for various items. And the cool thing about those is the more coupons that we get it then entered into prizes. So it's kind of a win-win thing. Anyway, yeah, so that's next Tuesday the 23rd from 4 to 9. And I'm excited. My husband is back home. That helps. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you a couple of the things that I will have for sale there. This lovely monogram cola C is one of the items that I have made to sell there. You can kind of see I've got the little metal, looks kind of like a frosted Coke bottle. I will also have this item for sale. And I will have these for sale. It's a 2-pack of those sweethearts. Well, I can't think of what the Brock's name of word candy. I honestly can't. It's what you give for Valentines when you're in grade school. Anyway, these will be for sale, and I have lots of other things planned. But I just wanted to touch base because on Tuesday I showed my paper pumpkin kit for January came, and I made it that night in almost immediately, and I wanted to show you the final product. I showed the kit then, but I wanted to show the completed items. It comes with these great sturdy craft envelopes, and it makes 8 of here. I actually have it packed up for another event that's coming up, so these adorable, and you get the little gemmy things, and this is copper. I can't tell if you can see that it's copper, if it looks gold on camera, but it's copper. And then let's see that one. I don't have this one tied so people can open it. Opens up and you can stamp words on the inside, and you're supposed to stamp something on this. I have not. I will stamp those as I use them and send them out. So I left that blank right now. But yeah, isn't this adorable? These ones have little hearts on. And then I also have this one with the stripes. That's a black and white stripe. And you can change your greetings too. Black and white stripe again with the little, and then it opens up. Okay. And the white ribbon with the copper edging. Oh gosh, this is nummy. I hope we see some of this in our upcoming catalog. And then again, I have not stamped that because I will stamp and write on that as I send them out. And so yeah, we get the black and white, and that's copper trimmed, metal, copper. Isn't this gorgeous? So these are This is what's in the January Paper Pumpkin Kit. And again, if you have not opened your kit, if you're a subscriber by now, you're crazy. Get that open and get that made. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Anyhow, so I just thought I'd show you that. It's just $19.95 a month plus whatever your local tax is. Oops. Gets you a paper pumpkin kit. And also, sometimes they release, they redo the kit. If you've been a subscriber, they'll reissue the kit or just the supplies for the kit. Oh, the stamp set that goes with that is... I actually have been using the stamp set for other things. So it's in here. This is the stamp set. Let's see if I can get it the right way. You can tell I've been giving it a little bit of love. It's got an XOXO Be Mine. They're all oriented weirdly, but that's the stamp set that came with the January Paper Pumpkin Kit, and I have been giving this some love, along with this one. But yeah, and don't have a lot to share today. If you need a catalog and don't have an occasions or celebration catalog, please leave your address in the comments below or send me a private message. I can, if you private message me, give me your address and your email address and your regular address, and I'll get that out to you. I've had people send me their information and not, but be sure and like my Facebook page and go to needsaribbon.com for more information. But yeah, my big event, I don't have a flyer, I don't have anything to show you for next Tuesday. Oh yeah, my first Sandy Sandbox was yesterday. The next one is, sorry, I'm a little stuffy. I have not been feeling the greatest this week. Not terrible, but I certainly don't. My husband came home from Albuquerque and he has the flu. Thankfully I don't have that. I just have a stuffy nose, but it's been kind of dragging me down. Anyway, so the next Sandbox is February 13th from 1 to 4. It's a Tuesday. You can try things, create things, come visit me. You just need to bring your own paper and adhesive. It's a great way for you to try some of the new dies, stamp sets, punches, other reusable items. You just have to bring the disposable items. And event is free. Bring your own snacks, etc., etc. So that's not, mark the date, February 13th, 1 to 4 at my house in Minnetonka. In the meantime, I know that people are going to start posting because this kit some people are still just getting their kits. I'm sure there's going to be some fantastic alternate mock-ups of this kit. I made mine the traditional way, so you can see that, but search the web for those, Pinterest for the what do they call it, Piper Pumpkin alternatives or something like that. Anyway, I'm stumbling over my words, but that's all I got for you today. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great weekend. And next Tuesday, Greenhaven Country Club, 4 to 9, What a Girl Wants. Be there.